Hello, my name is Erica and I am presenting Group Three's 1000 Minds project. Our topic for this project is, if I were to move to another country, which would it be? Our goal is to find out another place to live besides America. First, we came up with our options and we chose Japan, Jamaica, Mexico, Norway, and Australia, and Canada. We made the criteria, which allowed us to list out our options along with the pros of each of the options. For example, as you can see, we listed Japan, and some of the pros were recycling, public transportation, the nature, and you can get by without having to speak their language. And we listed pros for each of our options using 1000 Minds. Next, we came up with factors which we listed as important things like cost of living to see if it'd even be reasonable for us to live there to begin with. Next, we listed other alternatives that could have been a possibility if the first set does not work out. We listed places like Denmark, Germany, Jamaica, Japan, Mexico, Netherlands, Singapore, and Switzerland. We picked these because there are places we would love to see and probably travel to one day. We used 1000 Minds to look at the ranked alternatives and to compare them all. As you can see over here on the left, we have our alternatives. On the top was our criteria, and over here has the ranks. 1000 Minds showed us that Singapore would be our best choice based on all of the factors that we gave and listed.